You're welcome to this special Maths Olympiad class. Now, in this class, we are going to dive into something a little different, considering the AIME approach I've been using on our Olympiad Mathematics challenge. All right, we have a little different rule equate to the other one. In this case, we're going to call it AM to HM. I'm sure you know the meaning of the HM, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is to let you know the general rules. The general rule says for positive numbers like A1, A sub 2, and so on to A sub n, we say that A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus all the way to A sub n divided by n is greater or equal to n all over 1 plus A sub 1 plus 1 plus 1 over B. Oh, come on. So A sub 1, A sub 2, then 1 all over A sub n, plus all the way to A sub n. So this is the approach, and we are going to use it on this problem. Now, going back to the problem, we said that if A plus B plus C is equal to 3, then we should prove that 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is going to be greater or equal to 3. Now, it is a principle under harmonic mean. Now, let's apply it. In this case, we know that the harmonic mean is going to be what? 3 all over 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. That is the harmonic mean. Now, we know the normal mean, which is given as AM, is given as A plus B plus C all over 3. Now, remember that AN is greater or equal to HM. Therefore, I'm going to say that the one A over B, A plus B plus C all over 3 is greater or equal to 3 all over 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. This is the rule we are after. Now, but remember what happened. We know that A plus B plus C is 3 from the equation given here. Therefore, we are going to make that decision. So I'm going to have that 3 over 3 is equal to or greater than 3 all over 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Now, the whole thing here, remember what that 3 is? That 3 is something as A plus B plus C is something as this 3. So 3 divided 3 is 1, is greater than or equal to 3 all over A over B plus 1 over B. One over B plus 1 over C. Now, that simply means that if I clear the fraction, I'm going to have that 3 is greater or equal to if I clear the fraction, not 3, 2 will make more sense if I say 3. If I clear the fraction, I'm going to have that 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is going to be greater or equal to 3. And this is the proof I have to do on this part. Now, thank you for being part of the class. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it.